Hello friends, Ace Botany, next episode. In this episode, we'll be discussing last part of living world. So I will share the screen so it will be convenient for you. I think screen came so we can proceed. So what are we things we'll be discussing in this episode under chapter 1 living world, last part of this chapter. So topics for discussion as usual: introduction, classification, taxonomy, systematics, taxonomic categories, and finally an introduction to a topic, taxonomical aids, which is presently not in NCERT syllabus. If it comes for NEET exam syllabus, I will put in another way, another detailed episode I will do in this channel. So for time being, we can proceed to Living World second part 2 introduction. So here I told you what is classification, what is the need for it, what is taxonomy and systematics, what is the meaning, what are the differences, then different taxonomic categories, then introduction to taxonomic aids, then questions as usual, 5+5 with the key. So we can start with the classification. So after the character analysis, suppose we got a specimen, we'll be analyzing the character. So based on the characters, we will identify the specimen. Then it will be classified and name, nomenclature will be allotted. This is how the usual procedure. So what is classification? Arrangement of different organisms into suitable categories or groups due to certain fundamental characters or similarities or differences based on certain easily observable features. That is how we can define the term classification. Theory exam, 1 mark question. Now, after this classification, meaning, definition, etc., we should observe 2 terms, taxonomy and systematics. Everything given there, so it will be convenient for you. So another usual question, what are the differences between these two? What is common between these two, etc.? Taxonomy, basically Greek origin. And the term taxonomy that came from 2 basic words. One is taxis. Taxis means directed, directional. Nomos means rule. That is the words in which taxonomy came. And under taxonomy, 4 items will be there. That is characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature. Now, other side, systematics. Systematics came from Latin. Systema equals systematic arrangement. Last episode, we studied systema naturae. Then, in taxonomy, 4 items I told you: characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature. Here you can find it. And when we come to systematics, along with this 4, we'll be getting phylogenetic system or evolution also linked. So systematics is taxonomy plus evolution. It's a common question. Now, taxonomy, it is a branch of science, deals with the naming, describing, classifying organisms. You may be familiar with the term taxonomist who works in taxonomy. Taxon means a taxonomy group of any rank. Typical example, species, genus, family, etc. That is taxon. What is taxa? Taxa means plural form of taxon. So the words are with the slight differences. Taxon, taxa, taxonomy, systematics, etc. Now, taxa can indicate categories at very different levels. Plants, that is a taxa. Wheat, that is also a taxa. Similarly, when we take animals, mammals, dogs, all are taxa. So, a famous statement, interestingly, dog is a mammal and mammals are animals. That means animals, mammals, dogs represent taxa at different levels. The famous question, true or false, fill in the blank, theory, NEET exam question. So animals, mammals, dogs, all are taxa, but at different levels. The scope of systematics was later enlarged to include identification, nomenclature, classification, systematics, also consider evolutionary relationship between organisms. It's a line given in NCERT page number 5 and 6, reprinted edition March 2024. Now we have to proceed to next heading, taxonomic categories. So classification is not a single step process, but it involves hierarchy of steps. Each step is a rank or category. Taxonomic category, they are generally called, each step is a rank or category, otherwise called taxonomic category. All categories together constitute taxonomic hierarchy. So some terms, basic terms, familiarize it. For that only, so all categories together constitute taxonomic hierarchy. I think first page is clear to all of you, so we can continue. We can proceed to second page. So each category referred to as a unit of classification representing a rank, that is taxon, plurally is taxa. Commonly, 7 categories has been identified, under which include kingdom, phylum. Phylum, the term used in animals, its corresponding term in plants is division, a popular question, fill in the blank type question. Then class, order, family, genus, species. That is descendingly when we say, see here, descendingly, maximum, largest kingdom, then phylum animals, division plants, class, order, family, genus, species. Ascending order when we take species, genus, family, order, class, phylum or division, kingdom. That is the hierarchy. 7 categories will be there. And species serve as the basic and lowest category, species. See, in this hierarchy of 7 groups, higher ranks provide a more general description to the higher levels, while description of life forms become more specific when we move down the hierarchy. So upper areas, upper part of the hierarchy, it will be more general, and lower part when we come down, descending order, we can find it is becoming more and more specific. So a famous statement type question. I think you got the idea. Kingdom, etc., general characters. When we come down, it becomes more and more specific. Now, first term under this category, we have to start with the species. Here I put 2 photographs you can find here. See, term species coined by John Ray, 1686, that year. And lifespan is 1627, 1705. Photograph of John Ray you can find here. And this one, already you're familiar, 1904 to 2004, Ernest Mayr, 1942. That is biological concept of species. Last episode, we studied about Ernest Mayr. Now, species basically means members have a common similarity, including in morphology and reproductive characters. Members can undergo sexual reproduction and able to produce, next word is crucial, fertile offsprings. So species will be reproductively isolated, statement type question, and genetically closed system. So reproductively isolated, genetically closed system, a statement type question. Humans are supposed to be monotypic species. And among humans, genetic variation is very less. Humans scientifically called Homo sapiens. And no subspecies available, only a single species in modern man, that is Homo sapiens, often called monotypic species. Now, bottom you can find some names, Mangifera indica, Solanum melangina, Panthero leo, of which the second part, where I put a star, where you can find it all represents species, that is indica, melangina, leo. I think species is clear. We can proceed to next page. Now each category will be proceeding. Next is genus. The genus means it is a group of related species which has got more characters in common in comparison to species of other genera. Genera means aggregate of closely related species. Typical example, brinjal, potato, macaw, all belongs to same genus Solanum, but species different. Similarly, in the animal side, lion, leopard, tiger belongs to same genera Panthera. So genera have some common characters. Panthera genus differs from Felis, which include cat. NCERT page number 7, reprint edition, March 24. I think genus is clear. Number listen. Next is family. Related genera kept under family. Families are characterized on the basis of both the vegetative and reproductive features of plant species when we discuss plant side. Typical example is Solanum, Petunia, Dactura, kept in the family Solanaceae, that we'll be learning in family Solanaceae. Similarly, from animal side, lion, tiger, leopard, genus Panthera. Similarly, cat after that Felis. Genus Felis, cat, genus Felis. Family Felidae. While dogs different from cats, kept under the family Canidae. So Felidae and Canidae. Cat and dog. Next is order. Order means it is a group of related families, a species, genus, family, order. So we are going ascendingly. So family of cat, it is called Felidae. Family of dog, it is called Canidae. And remember, both have canine teeth and have some common characters also. But there comes under the order, coming under the order, Carnivora. So two families, Felidae and Canidae. Order is Carnivora. Plant side, family Convolvulaceae. Family Solanaceae. Presence of similar floral characters. So comes under the order Polymoniales. When you familiarize this, all will be simple. No, means just by heart type events. So Carnivora and Polymoniales. Next is class. Related orders put under the class. So order Primata, which include monkey, gorilla, gibbon, placed under class Mammalia. Order Carnivora, previous one, tiger, cat, dog, placed under class Mammalia. So we came up to class Mammalia. I think after that it is clear, we can proceed to next page. Mango, plant side. Order is Sapindales. Class is Dicotyledonnae. Wheat is order Poales. Class is Monocotyledonnae. So plant side and animal side, class. Now next division is phylum or division. Remember that itself is a question. So related class. Species, genus, family, order, class. So related classes put under phylum in animal kingdom, division in plant kingdom. That itself is a question. See, class which include fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, coming under phylum Chordata. While plant side, class dicot, class monocot or dicotyledonnae, monocotyledonnae, division is angiosperm. Now comes last segment, kingdom. This is the highest category in taxonomic hierarchy. All animals are put under kingdom Animalia. All plants are put under kingdom Plantae. So species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. 7 categories. Taxonomic hierarchy, ascending descending order. Next is taxonomical aids. This topic originally, presently, it is not in NCERT. That is why I just mentioned it. When it was there, it is an important area for question, NEET exam and theory. So if any need or if a syllabus comes, then I will, if it is there, I will explain in a class, detailed manner, taxonomical aids. See, these are certain tools for the purpose of taxonomic studies. Present edition, that part is not mentioned. If any need comes in NEET exam, etc., I will put in detailed manner one episode. So some of the tools for your familiarity: 1. Herbarium. 2. Botanical garden. 3. Museum. 4. Zoological parks. 5. Keys and its type. After that, 5. Theory question you can find here. Then 5. NEET model question you can find here with the key at the bottom. Here you can find the key. Here. But this table is very, very important for theory exam and entrance exam. Very important. Where we can find 4 items given. 4 items means man, housefly, animal kingdom, mango, wheat, plant kingdom. Biological name, you can find biological name, genus, family, order, class, phylum, or division. So in between, one or two gaps they will provide, and options will be given, or theory example in the blank type question can be asked. So familiarize it. Initially, when you buy it, a slight difficulty will be there, but gradually you can easily follow it. And after that, keys will be given here. And by this episode, this chapter is getting over. Completely easy chapter, only 2 episodes needed. If tools needed, I'll put in another episode later. So what all things we learn in this episode? We can just proceed. So NCERT wise, it is chapter number 1, Living Kingdom. Here, second episode. These are the topics we'll be discussing or discussed. And like an introduction, then classification, what is the need, then after that taxonomy and systematics, then how they differs, what are the common features. Then after that, we entered into taxonomic categories. Then ascending descending order, hierarchy, then bottom one species, upper one maximum is kingdom. In hierarchy, this hierarchy, higher ranks provide a more general description, not much specificity. While when we come down, come to like order, family, genus, species, life forms become more specific. That is how that hierarchy differs. Then one by one species. First is Ernest Mayr, John Ray, then their contribution, then monotypic species, then 3 plants or organisms given there, Indica, Melangina, and Leo, that stands for species. Then each level we are going up, genus, related species. Then under genus, some examples given. Panthera genus differs from Felis, which include cats, etc. That way. Then family. Next group, related gender kept under family on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. So plant side is applicable. Then animals are lion, tiger, leopard, genus Panthera. Likewise, some organisms name given. Then order. Order means a group of related families, species, genus, family, order. Family of cat, Felidae. Family of dog, Canidae. Both have canine teeth and comes under the order Carnivora. Same with the plant set, family Convolvulaceae, family Solanaceae, presence of similar flora character, coming under the order Polymoniales. Then class, related orders put under class. Order Primata, monkey, gorilla given placed under class Mammalia. Order Carnivora, tiger, cat, dog placed under the class Mammalia. Then next is plant side. Mango, order Sapindales, class Dicotyledonnae. Wheat, order Poales, class Monocotyledonnae. Then phylum or division, that itself is a question. Phylum animal side, division in plant side. Then class Dicotyledonnae, class Monocotyledonnae comes under division Angiospermae. Here we can find that is animal side, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals together, phylum Chordata. Then the last one, kingdom, highest one, under which 2 categories only available, kingdom Animaliae, kingdom Plantae. Then taxonomic case, just to mention, if any need, we will be doing later a detailed episode. And what all things will be coming under it, I just written there. Then 5 theory question, 5 NEET model question. After that is a predominant table for exam point of view, NCERT, memorize it. Then key also provided here. So if you like this episode, subscribe all, like it, share it, comment on it. We can meet in the next episode with another chapter. So take care. Thank you. Bye. We can meet later.